Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a crop tank top for a child. It's very easy to make and you can make this in less than 1 hour. So let's see what we need and let's get started. And also while you are here, don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the like button. Thank you! Okay, so to make this tank top, I'm going to use chunky weight velvet yarn. So is this one here. It's very thick as you see. In addition to the yarn, I'm going to use a 6mm crochet hook. You are also going to need a yarn needle to weave in your loose ends and to sew your tank top and a pair of scissors. And also measuring tape. Okay, so the tank top that we are going to make, it's made out of two panels, a front and a back panel. My panel measures 25 centimeters. Now go ahead and measure the bust and divide it through 2. And the tank top, it's about 32 centimeters long. Now it's going to be a crop tank top. The front and the back panel are slightly different from each other. We are first going to make the front panel and then work on the back panel. And then all you need to do is sew your shoulder strap together and also make your side seam. Okay, so let's get started. This tank top is for a 6-year young girl, so I'm going to chain a total of 26. So make first a slip knot and then chain the amount that you need for your size. Once you have this done, go ahead and single crochet in your second chain from the hook. Now make one single crochet in each chain across till the end. At the end of your first row, you are going to have 25 single crochets. The next row, chain 3, turn your work. This is going to be your first double crochet. And now we are going to make double crochets in the front loop only. So you have these two loops here. You are going to take only the front loop, like so. And now in the next stitch, again, one double crochet in the front loop only. Work like this till the end of the row. Again, you are going to have a total of 25 stitches. At the end of the row, chain 3, turn your work. This is going to be your first double crochet. Now for the next row, we are going to work in the back loop only. So again, you have these two loops here. You are going to take only the back loop, like so. And now one double crochet in the next stitch in the back loop only, and this is how you are going to work till the end of the row. So repeat these 2 rows for the length that you need till you reach your armpit. In my case, there are going to be 9 rows of double crochets in total, and then I'll meet you back to show you how to work your decrease for the armpit. And also how to finish your front panel and your shoulder straps. Okay, so I have my 9 rows done. Now we are going to turn our work without chaining. Skip the very first stitch, so this one here, and then slip stitch in your next stitch, and again slip stitch in your next stitch. You have now 3 stitch, slip stitch in your next stitch. You have now 4 stitches, and now we are going to slip stitch once more and start here our next row. So chain 3, this is going to be your first double crochet, and now we are on the right side of our work, so we are going to work in the back loop only our double crochets. So make a total of 17 stitches. So since you have your first double crochet is your chain 3, you want to have a total of 17 double crochets. So this one here is going to be your last stitch, and you are going to leave your 4 double crochets undone like so. See? And now we are going to make our shoulder straps. So chain 3 and turn your work. This is going to be your first double crochet, and now we are going to work in the front loop only for a total of 3 stitches. So you have now a total of 4 double crochets. Chain 3 again, turn your work and work 1 double crochet in the back loop only in all of your stitches. So again you are going to have a total of 4 double crochets. Now chain 1, turn your work. This doesn't count as a stitch, and our last row is going to be a row of single crochets. So you are going to have a total of 4 single crochets. Now chain 1 and cut your yarn. Leave a longer tail to sew in later on, so to sew your shoulder straps together like so. 1 shoulder strap done. Now it's time to make the second shoulder strap. Okay, so take your yarn and your hook, make a slip knot, and now we are going to reattach our yarn. So turn your work and count back 4 double crochets, and in your 4th one you are going to reattach with a single crochet in the front loop only, and chain 1. This is going to be your first double crochet, and now make 1 double crochet in the front loop only for a total of 3 stitches. Again you are going to have a total of 4 double crochets at the end of your first row. Now chain 3 to step up, turn your work. This is your first double crochet, and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch in the back loop only, and repeat till you have your 4 double crochets. Like so. Chain 1, turn your work. This doesn't count as a stitch, and now work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So you are going to end up again with a total of 4 single crochets. Chain 1, cut your yarn and leave a long tail for sewing your shoulder straps, and your front panel it's done. Okay, and now for the back panel, you are going to work the same. So first your single crochet row, then make your 9 double crochet rows and your one row with only 17 double crochets, and then meet me back when you have this done to show you how to finish your back panel. Okay, so here is my back panel. As you see, I've worked this row with only 17 stitches. And now the only difference between the front and the back panel is that we are going to work one more row of double crochets with 17 stitches. So we are now on the back side of our work, so we are going to make our double crochets in the front loop only, like so. Okay, and now let's make the shoulder straps. So chain 3 to step up and turn your work. This is going to be your first double crochet, and now you are going to work in the back loops only for a total of 3 stitches. So one double crochet in your next 3 stitches, chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch. Turn your work and make one single crochet in each stitch, so you are going to have a total of 4 single crochets. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. You don't have to leave a long tail, you've already have one on your front panel. Now make your second shoulder strap, so make a slip knot and rejoin, count back 4 stitches, and in your fourth double crochet you are going to rejoin in the back loop only with a single crochet, chain 1, and this is your first double crochet. And now make one double crochet in each double crochet from the previous row for a total of 3 times in the back loop only. So since you are now on the right side of your work, chain 1, this doesn't count as a stitch, turn your work and make your single crochets. So one single crochet in each stitch. Again, you are going to have 4 single crochets. Chain 1, cut your yarn. Okay, now lay your front and your back panel on top of each other. The right side is facing each other, like so. And we are going to sew first our shoulder straps. So take your yarn needle and thread it with your longer tail. And we are just going to do the whip stitch. So try work over your loose end, like so. And this is how you are going to sew your shoulder straps and also your side seam. So my lovely crochet friend, I'm at the end of my tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I hope this was helpful and you've enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed creating it for you. And I'll see you next time with a new one. Bye bye!